Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to filter WhatsApp numbers using WhatsApp Turbo Filter. First of all, we run the software. This is the interface of my software. First of all, we log into WhatsApp account. Now let's generate the numbers. Write the country code, write the number and set the increment to always be 1. Write down the quantity here and click on generate numbers. You will see the number generated here. Now select the folder and click on start filter. The filtration process will start here. If you want to buy this software, please contact me using the details shown on your screen. You will see that 4000 numbers are filtered in just 58 seconds. This turbo filter can easily filter 10,000 numbers in just 2 to 3 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.